Hello and welcome to another Isadora video tutorial. My name's Sam Meach. This is a brief session looking at how to take your Isadora video feed, your stage output, and send it to another program to use as a camera input. So for instance, if you're using something like Zoom or Skype, and instead of your regular webcam, you want to send it something that you're creating in the background in Isadora. That might be a different version of yourself, or it might be something completely different. For this, we're going to be using a third-party software for the Mac called Camtwist. Sorry for PC users. There are other alternatives available. And that's going to act as the bridge between Isadora and our video chat program. We're also going to be using another protocol called Syphon. So let's have a look at a way to do this, why we might want to do this. So here I've made a patch and I've called this the ghost patch. Instead of my regular Skype session with my family, I've decided this week I want to hold a digital seance where I am going to act as the ghost. So you can see I've just got some lovely layered effects. I've got a shimmer and a difference actor and some delays there. So we can have this seance, and I can be the spirit rather than my regular old self. So this is the patch, and we can see this is what I want the people I'm talking to see. But to do that, we're going to need a third-party software which is called Camtwist. The great thing about this is it's a free software. It's very powerful. It's a lovely way to hook up lots of different elements of your screen or different tools. So you need to first go to the Camtwist website. That's camtwiststudio.com. And you need to download a version. There are older versions depending on your operating system and maybe other software dependencies, but even the latest version seems to go back to 10.10. So once you've got that, this is what you can open up. This is Camtwist. It's very plain and simple when you open it up, but essentially on the left here we have some video sources. So we can choose a webcam, or you can choose to send your desktop, like sharing your screen, or just a portion of your desktop. And we've also got this option, Syphon, here, which I'm going to show you in a second. That's the one we're going to use. But just to give you a sense of what Camtwist does, I could select a webcam. It's asking me which webcam I want. I don't want eyeglasses in this case. I want my FaceTime camera. And if I come to the view preview, this is what it would send to the other screen. It even comes with some effects already in there, so I could give an ASCII art thing. So in a sense, you could add some effects in Camtwist and send that. That's not what I want to do, because I want to take a bit more control in Isadora in creating my effects. But let's go to, I'm using a tool called Blue Jeans. This is the video chat tool that I have to use to do some of my teaching. So I'd like Blue Jeans to use the Camtwist tool. So I'm going to ask it to instead use Camtwist. So Camtwist, once you've got it running, it should appear in your video apps as an option to choose from. Along with, you can see I've got quite a few other software cameras. So that's the principle of how it works, is once you've got Camtwist running, the other programs should see it, and it provides an option. I'm just going to put that back to FaceTime, because we're not going to use the Camtwist inbuilt effects actually, and we're not going to use Camtwist via the webcam. We're going to use this thing called Syphon. So Syphon is a video protocol for talking between softwares. It allows you to send video streams between software programs in your machine very fast. It's very efficient. And as you can see, to begin with, I haven't got anything chosen. There's no Syphon server, as it were. So that's what we need to tell Isadora to do. So if I come back to my Isadora patch, and if I double click in the scene editor and look for Syphon, we have two options. The Syphon receiver, which would be if we were receiving it from another program or another part of Isadora, and the Syphon stage output. Now, we don't need to connect this to anything, we just need to put it in the scene. And we tell it which stage we're going to use, which is stage number 1. That's my ghostly stage, ghostly scene. The local mode, I've forgotten what that does. That is, when set to local, the Syphon output will automatically stop when the actor's scene is deactivated. Okay, so if you put it to global, then it will work across all the scenes. So we've got Syphon in Isadora, and now if we go back to Camtwist and press the Syphon server, we get the option for Isadora USB. So look, now when I select that, my Camtwist preview is showing my ghostly image. So now let's go back to our video chat software. So I've got BlueJeans, and now when I select Camtwist, I should, there we go, I've got this crazy version. So now if I go to deliver my class, or if I want to chat to my family via another program, this is what they'd see. So that allows me again to take a lot of control over the camera and what I'm doing within that video chat space. That opens up a lot of creative possibilities, because essentially anything you can do in Isadora can be shared live in real time as your camera to other programs. Hope that's been useful. Obviously there's a lot to take in. I may have missed some bits. I'll try and pick them up in other videos. Thank you.